when you're starting, this is how you begin. This is how you begin, Layla. Let's go, like this. That's how you begin, on white line, on white line. I want you on white line. It's like that. You see how you're going? Then this is how you land, and then you see. You see? You see? You see? And then
I think you should do it in the tip.
exactly. You go tip of your fingers. Go with your tips of your fingers. See? One line, white line, like
This is the Inyagua basketball camp.
yeah, we are on the white line. White line.
We're in a hockey rink, but this is what we had. We had intended to go to the basketball court. I thought this was a basketball court.
Stand up.
Obviously, I was wrong.
Okay, let's go Layla slide.
We're gonna have these kids introduce themselves. What's your name, young lady?
Lila Amagure Itabera Rock.
And what's your name, young man?
Yeah, I'm the old man here called Alex Inyagua Motati.
Yeah. How about you, young lady?
Katrina Inyagua Patricia.
That's right. That's right. How about you, young lady? Oh, look at the young boy. Oh, is this our substitute or what?
Yeah, this is our substitute.
What's your name, young man? You only have one name? All right. How about this young lady? I'm not sure.
Come on, can't get it.
What's your name, young
This is
girl?
your ball. Get it.
What's your name?
Bounce it to the white line. Come on, this.
Huh? Oh, good. And how old are you?
No, we want to
How old are you? How old are you?
Okay, now can we make a V? Can we make a V?
go on the
How
white
many years old are you?
line. I'm going to this one.
That's right.
No, you go only fast
We have our pro baller here.
and always on one.
He's just gonna relax and watch everybody go before he unleashes his talent.
Seriously, come on.
He's got the Nike endorsement shirt right there.
Can I see him?
And his name is Thomas
Go like this.
Abdallah
Go like
Temere.
No.
He's giving everybody else a chance, relaxing a little bit. He's a little tired, you know.
Okay, let's nail down one more time. Let's
And then we have yours truly. Lila, can you videotape me
Yeah.
for a second here?
we see how it is.
We have yours truly. Can you see me nice and clear?
Yes.
My name is Thomas Itemere. I'm the cameraman. And the cheerleader.
Cheerleaders, girls.
Cheerleader. Cheerleader. Grande. Yo. Yo. Grande. Yo. Yo. Grande. Yeah.
And cheerleaders don't have hairy armpits. Yeah, they shave. Yeah. And teenagers are skinny and they can do the splits. And you guys don't have hair, first of all. Second of all.
Liliana, come.
And you have muscles. They got long hair, they got pigtails. They can go. Yeah.
They got long hand pictures, huh? All right, guys. Let's see your best cheerleading cheer.
Liliana, come on.
Get around.
Come on, kick.
Oh!
All right. Okay, Lila. Hold on.
Go Celtics! You are number one! Go Celtics! You are number one! Go Celtics! You are number one! Go Celtics!
All right. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
God.
You want to videotape him?
Okay. You? Hey, you guys, you're still going and you're still on TV. And what else, Patrina? Are you having a good time, Lila? What else are you going to do with Thomas? Just getting a ball. So, what are you going to do? Fuck you. A good view. Hello, everyone, and this is Uncle Alex's basketball camp. We're here practicing our basketball, even though this is not a basketball court. But my dad thought this was good to do. It was going to be a basketball court. I guess he was wrong.
Your dad there playing with Eliana? Oh, man.
I'm trying to do it.
Go videotape them.
Okay. Oh, I know the sun came down and you're sweating again. Of course he is.
Follow them with the camera.
Whee! Make sure he doesn't steal your phone.
Let's go. Okay. Okay, kick.
All right, buddy. You want to get out of your chair?
It's too dark. Daddy, I can't really see you.
Oh, buddy.
Come close.
You get the kick.
All right, our star player is back on.
Try to balance this ball on my head.
See?
I'm trying to balance the ball on my head. Oh. Yay! I can spin the ball on my finger. What did we do? A bouncy ball on my head.
Ethan!
The reason's only not best known to young Ethan. He's taking his frustration on the chain link fence.
Okay, hook.
And we have one that's running amok. Young lady. Eliana, get back in here. She's coming. Get her back. Yeah, get back in here.
Get it. Get it for me.
Kick the ball! Wait!
Kick. Kick for me. Kick.
Can you kick it to me? No, no,
Kick again. Kick. Kick.
no, no.
Go. Again. Done. No.
Alright. Kick the ball and you'll be champion.
We are meant to
Ready? Set.
Alright.
You hurt your toe, that's good.
What?
This guy's unbelievable.
What?